अपनों को खोने का दर्द क्या होता है, ये वही बता सकते हैं जो उनकी यादों के सहारे जीते हैं। It's been almost 7 weeks now, लेकिन सुशांत की बहनों के लिए ना उनके भाई के जाने का गम कम हुआ है, ना उन्हें बचा पाने का रिग्रेट। लेकिन with new developments in his case and the CBI stepping in, शायद उनके चेहरों पर फिर मुस्कुराहट होगी। Siblings are often our first friends, but in Sushant's case, they were his mother figures and guardian angels. सुशांत की बहनों ने बहुत धैर्य दिखाया है in this tremendous tragedy that the entire family is facing, but are now ready to fight a battle to tell the world what they believe pushed their brother to take this extreme step. And now with the government approving a CBI inquiry, उनको और उनके परिवार को एक उम्मीद की किरण नजर आ रही है that their brother will get the justice he deserves. Sushant's sister Shweta Singh, who was closest to Sushant in age and has spoken about how the two were inseparable as children, has been sharing many beautiful memories of the actor and recently also shared a screenshot of their last chat where he said he wanted to come visit her. लेकिन अफसोस वो नहीं हो पाया and just 4 days later Sushant passed away tragically. After refusing to comment on the social media circus and online debates that followed, Sushant's sisters and his father are now finally ready to tell their side of the story and are demanding justice for the actor who was just 34 and had a promising career ahead of him. It seems now that their prayers are finally bearing fruit, with the central government approving a CBI inquiry into the case. Shweta has been regularly sharing her reactions on developments in the case and recently called the approval for a CBI inquiry her gift for Raksha Bandhan. The family found another reason to celebrate when the Supreme Court allowed Bihar police to question Riya, and the Enforcement Directorate also summoned the actor to question her about alleged financial misappropriations. Sharing pictures of the TV screen, जहां एक तरफ अयोध्या राम मंदिर का भूमि पूजन चल रहा है और नीचे टिकर पे रिया के खिलाफ उठाए गए लीगल मेजर्स के अपडेट्स है, श्वेता ने लिखा, This definitely cannot be a coincidence. As the mantras were chanted, steps towards justice were taken. I love you, God. I know you're with us. We are one step closer to finding the truth, bhai. Hashtag Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Shweta has repeatedly thanked the whole nation for their prayers, and it seems that the family has also the support of Ankita Lokhande, who was Sushant's partner for almost 6 years. Ankita commented on Shweta's post and said, God is with us, Di. श्वेता के अलावा सुशांत की बहन प्रियंका और उनके ब्रदर इन लॉ ओपी सिंह भी सुशांत के लिए इंसाफ मांग रहे हैं। And recently it became public that they had been trying to get through to the actor and speak to him from February this year. Unfortunately, वक्त और तकदीर को कुछ और ही मंजूर था। अपने भाई की रक्षा करने वाली सुशांत की बहनों ने अब ठान लिया है that they will find answers to what took their beloved Gulshan away from them and seek action against those they believe drove their brother to take such an extreme step.